So I've basically opened myself up to so many additional decisions, which I'm not saying is bad. And I think part of being an advocate is just sharing my story so other people can feel empowered. I'm not even saying that I would do anything different, but what I'm saying is because I decided to have more aggressive surveillance, I am in a period of anxiety and an evidence free zone, right? That I sort of created unknowingly.
Yeah, and I think you hit a nail on the head there, which is for people who are escalating their care and doing things that are more aggressive, and then they find out that there were unintended consequences of just being more aggressive. Some people will go get more surgeries, and that leads to surgical complications. Some people will have more chemotherapy things added, or combined therapies that aren't usually combined and get toxicities. And then for people who do a more aggressive screening, you find more things, and all of those come with trade-offs. And I think it's really challenging when something new enters the field and we don't really understand how to navigate those trade-offs yet because it's new. And I think you're an exact example that I give when I'm counseling patients on these types of tests, which is okay, there's this new thing. It's really sensitive. It has the potential ability to identify cancers before we can identify them in the scan. But what do you do? And I think you're living out that experience in real time, like many other patients are, as we're trying to push improved care outside of the context of clinical trials, where we aren't going to have a control group. There's no control group to you right now. It's just you on this path. So it's challenging. It's challenging to know what to do. It's challenging to know how to counsel a patient. The different providers that you have are all doing their best. Everyone's trying to advocate for the best thing for you. And the fact that you're hearing all these different recommendations just says, at the cutting edge, reasonable minds may differ. We hope you liked this video. To support cancer research and get clear, expert answers about cancer, follow us and visit crackingcancer.org to join the Cracking Cancer community.